Hi guys, the Speed Cube Kid is here, and I'm going to try to solve the Rubik's Impossible and break my record. Now my record is 25.921 seconds. Believe it or not, I beat my old record just today, and that's the time I just showed you. Right now I have it mixed, and as I get more subscribers and stuff, I'm going to be getting better timers and more better cubes than this. So let's see if I can break my record. See here. I goofed up last video, so let's see here. Please bear with me. I have an awkward time talking to the camera, and I get really nervous when I'm trying to show you guys how I do this. Okay, that was 36.776. Okay, I'm going to show you that all the pieces are solved. Oh, I actually did one move extra, so that's a 2-second penalty. It's actually 38.776. So let's put that back. See if I can break my record. Okay. My legs are shaking. Let's see here. Okay, that was 32.83 seconds. And all the pieces are solved. Get back there. No. Sorry, I'm a nervous wreck, and I have an awkward time talking to the camera. I tried recording this earlier, and my best time of that was 29.942 seconds. Let's see here. Can I break that time? Looks like I can. Yes! This is one of my fastest times. It's 27.62 seconds. No, 65. 27.65 seconds. 27.65. And all the pieces solved. That was a good time. I have a hard time getting it in less than 30 seconds. I'm going to do 2 more solves. Hopefully I can break my record. If I can't, I'm satisfied with the time I just got. Okay, it's all mixed. Let's see here, what is fastest moves? Doesn't look like we really solved it. Okay. Got all the corners solved. Now it's time to solve the second layer. Okay, that was 53.796 seconds. Okay, and all the pieces are solved. Okay. I mix it up at random every time. I have to emphasize that just so that you can believe me that it's all the way mixed. Okay. Let's see here. Fast. Okay, got the corn solved. Okay, that was 44.046 seconds. And all the pieces are solved. 44.046. Okay, all the pieces are solved. Okay. Last time. I am a complete nervous wreck when I do these, so I like to stretch, loosen up those muscles, breathe. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. That was a good time. That was 36.295 seconds. And keep it solved. And I think that's going to do it for my video today. Yeah, I solved it 5 times. I didn't get to break my record, but I got a really good time out of it. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so that I can improve on my solving abilities and get more advanced, let's see here, tools, accessories and stuff. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.